Are you trying to improve your email marketing strategy? Let me show you in the following video how you can take this exact system to significantly increase your sales.
Product description. Every single day, thousands of people go on the internet and try their hand at making money online. The hard truth is that over 95% of them quit and never see a cent. In fact, many of them lose money in the process, buying programs and ebooks that are just untested theory and hype. The key to succeeding online is to get a reputable program from someone who knows what they're doing. 30-Minute Money Methods, which was created by Shelley West, has become an online bestseller and has sold thousands of copies. There are positive reviews from people who have bought the product, despite the fact that the sales copy on the page is exaggerated and almost hypey. The methods in the guide are proven to work and people are actually making money with them. Will you make $500 in 30 minutes like the sales copy claims? Probably not. To get to this stage will take time and effort. However, you will be able to make an extra $500 to a couple of thousand a month. Most people just want to supplement their income with a bit extra so that they have room in their finances to breathe a little. It'll be easier to pay the bills and splurge on little luxuries if you're making an extra 1K or 2K online. 30-Minute Money Methods will help you get there. The good points. 1. The training is comprehensive with over 30 videos to guide you. There's also a support desk where you can ask questions and get help if you need it. All the methods are based online. You will not need to make cold calls, approach people, etc. This is a very suitable course for beginners because it's all laid out step by step and easy to follow. 2. Shelley's 30-Minute Money Methods is an online bestseller and has been around for quite a while. With thousands of customers, this is a reputable product that you can trust. While the sales copy hypes things up by saying that Shelley makes $35,000, the fact of the matter is that you can make money, but it's not going to be this much. Not in the beginning anyway. So, you must be aware of that. 3. The methods in this program are not complex and do not require specialized technical skills. You're providing services that people need. Without giving away too much information, the methods revolve around stock photography, voiceovers, freelancing and even making money by playing online games. None of these methods are rocket science. Most people will be able to do them, and there are people out there making good money. So, this is not untested theory. The product will work if you work it. 4. You have 4 methods to choose from, and 2 extra bonus methods. There's something for everybody here. 5. You have 60 days to test this product out. If you can't make a cent by then, highly unlikely, can always ask for a refund. The bad points. 1. While the methods do work, there is a learning curve involved, and it's not as easy as they make it seem. It will take you time and effort to reach a stage where you make $500 in 30 minutes. It's possible, but there is some work involved. If you're expecting easy riches, this program is not it. 2. You will need a computer and an internet connection to use the methods in this program. These are not offline methods. 3. The sales page uses blind copy. You can't really tell what you're getting into or what the methods are about until you purchase them. Should you get it? If you wish to make money online, this program is as good as any to get you started. The methods are easy, and while you're not going to be making thousands overnight, these are legitimate methods of making money online. Providing voiceovers, stock photography, freelancing, etc. are all solid methods of earning a living online. They'll require you to develop some skills, but that can be achieved with a bit of practice. If you tailor your expectations and follow the program, you'll be able to earn a few thousand a month. It will take you a while before you get to Shelley's level, but with consistency, you'll get there. Get 30-Minute Money Methods now.